Hello, friends! Today we are learning about downloader malware. This is one of the most dangerous types of malware because it secretly brings more malware into your computer. In this lesson, I will explain what downloaders are, how they attack, why hackers use them, and how you can stay safe. A downloader is not a big virus. It's a small hidden program. Its only job is to quietly download more malware into your computer. The scary part is, it runs secretly. You won't even know it's working in the background. Downloaders do not enter your system magically. Hackers trick you into installing them through fake software installers, email attachments that look important, websites designed with hidden scripts, cracked or free versions of paid software. If you ever download cracked apps, there is a high chance you are installing a downloader. Once a downloader gets inside your device, it immediately connects to a server controlled by the hacker. From that server, it downloads spyware, ransomware, Trojans, bots. It also tries to avoid your antivirus. This means you might not notice anything until the damage is done. Hackers love downloaders because they are small, fast, and very easy to hide. They can be updated quickly, so even if one version gets detected, the hacker can release a new version. Downloaders are like the delivery boys for other malware. If your computer suddenly becomes slow, or you see apps you never installed, that is a big warning. If pop-ups start appearing or your antivirus turns off by itself, you must check immediately. These are common symptoms of downloader malware. To protect yourself, never download cracked apps. Only install apps from official websites. Do not open strange messages or attachments. Keep your computer and phone updated. Use good antivirus or Windows Defender. These small steps can save your computer from a big attack. These are some examples of famous downloader malware. Each of these has caused millions of infections worldwide. Hackers still use them because they are effective and very silent. Always remember, hackers can only attack if we give them a chance. Think twice before clicking any link or downloading any file. Staying safe online is not difficult. You just need to be careful.